Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Splice. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about Splice and you will enter. In this page of app on file you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Splice. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your